Billy inside, gets it to Gaspay. Juliano. Alwin Alday. Robles with another rebound. Manalang. Alday from the corner. Once again, medyo malakas, but Gaspay able to clean it up. Mike Alvarez, ang bilis ng sagot.
Be given at this moment, kailangan na nilang gawin yon para makahabol sila dito sa ball game.
Maguliano puts it in. Robles with the rebound. That's his sixth rebound. Robles again. Billy gets that one to drop. 63 to 44. Alday, another three. Knocks that one down. Inigo turnaround shot is good. Manalang again. Robles nagmamadali. Gets it to Alday for three. Yes, sir. Philip to Alwin. Another three. No call there, pero nakuha ni Billy Robles ang rebound, and the stick back is good. Alday with the steal. Maguliano will finish.
Central Mall, I mean.
Dami. Lobo agad yung lamang dito. 25 points now. Kaduya. Dire-diretso. Juliano inside. Labas muna. Sarao. Pulls up. Yes. 75 to 50. Maguliano hits the three. Igot gets it to Bienes. Ipat sa kabila. Diputado. One-hander. Diputado with a layup.
You have to make a stop here.
Extreme ang subok at kompletong appliances brand ng Pilipinas. Chavez. JP Sarao adds to his tally. 30 points na yung lamang. No? Parang bumitaw na lang yung mga Negros dito sa third quarter.
Lobo bigla. Talking about Negros.
Nakastil ang Negros. Dignadice. Niban. Fade away. Sarao. Put back. Diputado stops and nails the push shot. Victoria's runner in and out.